Tell you this though, Mandy, it does not look severe as we look ahead here over the next several days. No extreme weather coming in our direction. It's good news for you, good news for us, and some good news coming out of the city of St. Louis too. They have set aside millions of dollars in the 2024 budget to buy new outdoor warning sirens.
And Fox 2 investigator Mitch McCoy has been digging into the warning sirens issues and has new details on the move to buy this new system.
There's been a spotlight pointed on the city's outdoor warning sirens over the last week or so after 2 tornado warnings were issued for the city, but some could not hear the siren. That could change soon. The only alarm sounding today,
please call the roll,
is for how fast the Board of Estimate and Apportionment approved the city's 2024 budget proposal.
Mayor Jones.
aye.
Comptroller Green.
Aye.
President Green.
Aye.
All in favor.
The proposal includes buying a new $3.9 million outdoor warning siren system. The money would come from the Economic Development Sales Tax Fund.
Sirens are subject to varying degrees of working.
Monday's approval comes after Fox 2 uncovered 2021 Facebook messages with Emergency Management Commissioner Sarah Russell, who noted how old the 2-decade system is and the little funding available for repairs. How many sirens do not work in the city of St. Louis?
That I don't have the solid number on. When you do these tests, because of the age of our system, each siren does not necessarily respond.
The city said the city's infrastructure has changed, which may impact sound waves from the siren. Fox 2 found most 2022 complaints come from neighboring wards. The commissioner says the proposal would come with an analysis of the city.
That is going to include a study of the city of St. Louis, which hasn't been done since the last time the siren system was installed.
The proposed 2024 budget will now head to the full Board of Aldermen for approval. It's unclear how much money will be set aside for repairs, though. Right now, it's $20,000, which Russell has said leaves little wiggle room. Mitch McCoy, Fox 2 News.